Yeah, I will share you the this one means you can see once I will read out who have been submitted and all. Then we'll get to the conclusion. So later on we'll see how the things next will be can be done. Entire screen I will share. Uh, Share this. Yes.
ಸರ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಕಳಿಸಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅದೇ ಈಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ
ಅಂತಿಮ ಅವ್ಳದೇನ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕಳ್ಸೋಣ ಅಂತ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ.
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ. See, now these are the mini projects which have got reports, mini project reports. You can see here, if you have sent, I have not collected. If any such and reports are there, you can send me. And why you have sent two reports, I don't know. ನೈನಾ, ಸೂರ್ಯ, ನೈನಾ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನೈನಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ನೈನಾ
ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ಸಿ ಇದು ನೈನಾ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಜಯ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಜಯ್, ವೈ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ 2 ಕಾಪೀಸ್? ಅಜಯ್ ಅವನು ಇಲ್ವಾ? ಅಜಯ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾರೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದು? ದಿವ್ಯೇಶ್ ಅವನ ಅಸಲಿಗೆ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಸರಿ, ಅಮಿತ್, ನೋ, ಇದು ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಟ್. AWD ಯಾರ್ದಿದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್? AWD ಕಳ್ಸಿರೋದು ನೀವೇ ಅಲ್ರಪ್ಪ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಆಟೋಮೆಟಿಕ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸರಿ ಯಾರ್ದಿದು? ಮಣಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಸರುಗಳೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮಣಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಿದ್ಯಾರಾಣಿ ಇದಾರ ಅವರು? ಮಣಿ, ವಿದ್ಯಾರಾಣಿ ಯಾರು ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾಡೋದಷ್ಟೇ. ಬಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ಯಾರ್ದು? ಬಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಅಟೆಂಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಮೃತ ಅಂಡ್ ಅನುಷಾ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ, ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರದೇ. ದೆನ್ IMCMS ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ಹೋಲ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ತನುಜ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇದು. ದೆನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? IoT ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್. ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ಇದು? IoT ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಫೈನಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ. USN ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಅಂತ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೀನಿ. ಯಾವ್ದು ಶಶಾಂಕ್? ಯಾವ್ದು ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್?
ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್.
ಶಶಾಂಕ್ ನಿಂದ ಇದು? ನೇಮ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ ನಾವು. ಸರಿ, ನಿಧಿ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರಿಗೇಷನ್ ಸರ್.
ನೀವು 2 ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದು.
ಒಂದೇ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದು?
ಇದು ಬಂದೇ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದು.
ಸರಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೋಲಾರ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಲ್ ಪೂಜಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅವ್ರದಲ್ವಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅದಿದೆ. ರಿಯಲ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೋಷನ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇದು ಗೌರೀಶು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಯಾರು? ಗೌರೀಶು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ. ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಡಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಸಿಂಚನ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಯಾರ್ದಿದು? ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೋಮ್ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿ. ಸರಿ, ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರಾಜೇಶು, ನಜ್ಮಾ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರ್ದಿದು? ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್ ಸಿದ್ಧಾರ್ಥ್, ವಿಶಾಲ್.
ಶ್ರೀಧರ್
ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ, ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ವಿಶಾಲ. ಓಕೆ.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
ಅಲ್ಟ್ರಾಸಾನಿಕ್ ರಾಡಾರ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರದು ಯಾರ್ದು, ಸರ್ಫರಾಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಮನೀಶ್. ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಯಾರ್ದಿದು, ಗುಣಶೇಖರ್. ಇನ್ಯಾರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್?
ಆದಿತ್ಯ.
IoT ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲೀಕೇಜ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಪ್ರತಿಭಾ, ಇದು ವರ್ಷ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಯಾರು, ವರ್ಷ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಪ್ರದೀಪ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ರೋವರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಯಾರು, ಹನಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ರೋವರ್ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು?
Umehan and Yashaswini, I think so.
ಯಶಸ್ವಿನಿನ?
ಚೇತನ ಸರ್.
ಚೇತನ ಅಂಡ್ ಹನಿ. Am I right?
Yes sir.
Yeah. So these many I got it. Still 19 reports are there. Anybody you have sent I have not collected, like that issues is there, you can tell now.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, voice control notice board ಕಳ್ಸಿದೀನಿ ಸರ್, ಮಧುಶ್ರೀ ಅಂಡ್ ಅಪೂರ್ವ.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಾಗೆ ಇರು, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ವಾ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೋದು. ಏನಂತ ಟೈಟ್ಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ ಫೈಲ್ಗೆ?
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್.
ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ ಕಣಮ್ಮ? ನೋಡು, ನೀನ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ತಾನೆ? ನಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಮ್ಮ?
ಸರ್ ಬಟ್ 26th ಕಳಿಸಿದೆ ಸರ್ ನಾನು. 26th.
ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮಿಷ ಹಿಂಗ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಡು. 26th ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೋಡು, 26 ಕಳ್ಸಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ, ಸರಿನಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನೋಡು. ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಮ್ಮ? ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಕಳಿಸು, ಸರಿನಾ?
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್.
ನಿಮ್ದು ಯಾವ್ದು ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡಾ?
ಹಾ ಸರ್, ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್.
ಸರಿ, ಅದಾಯ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ಯಾರು? ನಿಮ್ದಾಯ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 20. ಇನ್ನು 7 ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು? ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಫುಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ, ಸಂತೋಷ್, ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ? ತೇಜಸ್ವಿನಿ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅವರು.
ಸೊ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಪರೇಶ್
ಸರ್, ಅದು ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ದೆ, ಪುನಃ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಇವಾಗ ಕಳ್ಸಕ್ ಅಂತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಅದೇ ಸರ್, ನೋಡ್ದೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ ಮೇಲಲ್ಲಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಪುನಃ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಕಳ್ಸ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಕಳ್ಸು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ 2 ಆಯ್ತು, ನಿಂದು 3 ಆಯ್ತು. ಇನ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದು ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಕಳ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ? ಮುರುಗೇಶ ಅಗ್ರಿಕಲ್ಚರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಕಳ್ಸಿದಾನ ಅವನು. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ಯಾರು? ಗೌತಮಿ, ಹರಿಣಿ
ಅವರಿಬ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ಇಬ್ರು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಕಳ್ಸಿಲ್ಲ. 4 ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸರಿ, ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಟಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟುಡೇ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇಟ್, ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ದೆಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ಅವ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಳ್ಸಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್, ಸರಿನಾ? ಟೆಲ್ ದಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ಲಿ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈಗ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನನಗೆ ನಾನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 2 ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ ಅನ್ಸಿದ್ದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಮಾರ್ಟ್ ಕ್ರಾಡಲ್ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್ ಓಕೆ ಅನಿಸ್ತು ನನಗೆ. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. So do one thing, everyone, you do one plagiarism check. That is very much important. Plagiarism check ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ? ಹಲೋ, ಪ್ಲಗರಿಸಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಒಳ್ಳೇದು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ಗೆ ಪ್ಲಗರಿಸಮ್ ಚೆಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಮಸ್ಟ್, ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ 6th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್ಗೆ ಟರ್ನಿಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಅಂಡ್ ಅವರ್ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ college also, department also, we will do until you will get 15% on means 85% uniqueness ಇರಬೇಕು. 15% ಪ್ಲಗರಿಸಮ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 20, ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ 10 15 ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಅ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್. ಸೊ 10ಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡನ್. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 90% ಯುನಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಇರಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಯುನಿಕ್ನೆಸ್, ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಮೀನ್ ಬೈ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್? ಅಕ್ನಾಲೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಓನ್ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Even though if you are copying from other material and all, it's not a matter, but you have to change that particular sentence, understanding the meaning of that, and you have to put. So ಅದು important. So ಅದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಐಡಿಯಾ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಉದ್ದೇಶ. So
So
now,
some students just to avoid plagiarism, they are removing essential words like is, is, was, the, and they are
yeah.
reframing the sentence without any meaning. Such kind of
Yes.
sentences are not at all allowed strictly.
Yes. That your senior students has did like that. So that at all will not be entertained. In video, they will take care of that also. Now they have a grammar check also. They will check that also.
Yeah, grammar check if they enable, sir, that will be also as grammatical sentences are not constructed.
Yeah. Without the grammatical things, they will not consider that also. Let it be a practice for you. I will also put in Turnitin. You don't have access, I think. I will put in a Turnitin, whatever reports you have given, and I will check. Both Shridev madam and myself, we will check it out. So how much uniqueness is there in your project and all. Later on, we'll let you know. And based on that, you have to change and you have to resubmit again. That process is remaining. We'll start doing that process from now itself. Not an issue. What, madam? Shridevi madam?
Yes, sir, we'll do that.
Yeah, we'll do that, and we'll return back your whatever things is there, means whatever reports is there, we'll return back your reports also. So based on that, you have to make a modifications and you have to resubmit. Why I am telling this thing for a mini project also is let it be a practice for you. So it will become a very good practice for you also. If you want, I will open anyone report. Madam, can I open anyone report here?
Yes, sir, one will check and will suggest same things others can also follow.
Yeah, just I'll open which I have seen that I'll open once. Smart Cradle I'll open. Okay. Now, madam, this is the one what method I have told them. Almost all they have did this one. If any changes is there, you can suggest one. So what I have told, this header and footer that I have told, so Smart Cradle system, page number must be there, and then title of the project, here a mini project submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirement for the completion of 5th semester of Master of Computer Applications. So I have told very clearly that things and all, here of O should be a small letter, and that take care of that. Here alignment, you check it out. Guide Dwarkanath, co-guide Sridevi madam. Okay, M. Department of Master of Computer Applications. Okay. Now, madam, in certificate once we can check it out, madam.
Yes.
This is to certify that Ashwini CR and Sinchana SR with the register number so and so respectively has successfully completed the 5th semester MCA project titled Smart Cradle System as a partial fulfillment of the requirements for the completion of 5th semester of the degree in Master of Computer Applications. awarded by Visvesvaraya
Towards
Technological University. Uh-huh.
towards
Madam?
partial fulfillment, sir.
Towards partial fulfillment. Note
Ah.
down, students. Note down, students. Smart cradle system towards partial fulfillment. Here, madam, as a
Yes, sir.
partial,
Yes.
instead of as a towards partial fulfillment of the requirements. So that's a change, students, you have to note down. That is a change you have to do. So here, I think, madam, it's correct. No project guide, co-guide, ed. That's it.
Sir, awarded by we should not use till degree will not be awarded now, sir.
So where, madam, actually?
Completion of fifth semester of the
Uh,
degree in
uh,
Master of Computer Applications during the academic year. Awarded by VTU will remove, sir, because degree will not be awarded.
Okay, madam. So students, you have to remove this part. Are you note down, students? Everyone, note down. So this thing we have to remove, right?
Sir, we have a standard certificate, no? We'll same thing. Why we should
Madam?
mess it
No,
up?
this is the one which we have given last time. They have did the same like this only.
Oh, same one, same thing you have given.
Yeah, same thing I have given, but there also they have given like this only.
That is for
But
final year, no?
yeah, but we'll know it's for second sem. Last time they have given like that.
Okay.
We'll remove them. We'll remove this, madam.
1 second, sir. Towards partial fulfillment of the requirements for the completion of fifth semester of the degree in Master of Applications. Yeah, degree will be awarded by VTU, I think. We can keep it.
But not a problem, madam. Why? Because see, here we have told very clearly that it's a partial fulfillment of completion of fifth semester.
Fifth
We are telling
semester.
very clearly, but this degree will be awarded by Visvesvaraya Technological University.
That's what I had it out. We can leave it, I think. Degree
Yeah, yeah.
D in small letter, upper, lower.
We'll keep it. We'll keep it. Huh? Okay, students, we'll keep that. No change there. So here examinations not a problem. Declaration, it's okay. I've read it out once. So we, Ashwini CR and Sinchana SR, student of 5th MCA, BMS Institute of Technology and Management, Yelahanka, Bangalore, bearing USN numbers so and so, hereby declare that the project entitled Smart has been carried out by me under the supervision of Guide Dwarkanath GB and COVID and submitted in partial fulfillment of the requirements for the completion of 5th semester by university during the academic year 2020-21. This report has not been submitted to any other organization, university for any award or degree or certificate. Okay, done.
Sir, 1 second, sir.
Tell me.
Move it up, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, we, Ashwini CR and Sinchana SR, comma, students of fifth semester MCA, not fifth MCA.
Okay, madam.
S
Students
small letter.
of 5th semester.
Students of fifth semester MCA. BMS Institute of Technology and Management, comma, Yelahanka, Bangalore. During these USN, H small letter again. Declare that the project P again lowercase. And guide, you have to use small lowercase only. Guide Dwarkanath G, no need of that column there. Remove that column. And co-guide C also lowercase. Remove the column. Sridevyam. You can remove and again here.
Here and
Comma. You can put after Sridevyam comma. Submitted towards partial fulfillment of the requirements for completion of fifth semester of the degree. Rest all is correct.
Okay, madam.
And
Students,
academic
note
year
down,
A
students.
also small letter.
Everyone note down. Don't miss it again and again. Why? Because for you only the burden again. Acknowledgement you can see here. The development of the IoT project is generally a bit complex and time-consuming task. The goal of the developing the project smart cradle system could not be achieved without the encouragements of kindly, helpful, and supportive people. Hereby, we convey our sincere thanks for all of them. I take this opportunity to express my gratitude to people who had been instrumental in the successful completion of this project. I'm thankful to our management trustee for providing us an opportunity to work and complete the project successfully. What is that background sound? I wish to express my thanks to our principal for his support to the project work. I would like to acknowledge my gratitude to our HOD of Master of Computer Applications, Dr. Aparna K, for her encouragement and support. Without her encouragement and guidance, this project would not have materialized. The guidance and support received from our guides, Professor Dwarkanath GB and Professor Sridevi M, who contributed to this project, was vital for the success of the project. We are grateful for their constant support and help. Madam, for me, it's okay. Any changes?
No, sir.
No. So then abstract and all I have studied, madam. That's okay, I think. Abstract is there and keywords is there. They have put correctly. And justification you have to do that you are not did. Justification you must do correctly. Contents of the table they have put. This is the way I have told them introduction, literature survey, and project requirements and software requirement specification, analysis and design, code means implementation, conclusion, future enhancement, bibliography. So this much is enough, I think. So project description, introduction they have given.
Project requirements, not requirement, project requirements and future enhancements also.
Project requirements and future?
Enhancements, both they use just requirement and enhancement.
Where, madam?
No,
Software
sir.
requirement specification.
Before that, project requirement they give. No?
Where, madam?
Simply, sir, some small thing they should know that before
Okay.
for third chapter.
Third chapter, I'll go there.
Project requirements.
Project requirement. Okay, madam.
Requirements and future enhancements.
Future enhancement we should give in last, no, madam.
No, I'm telling future enhancements.
Enhancements.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Not together. Just telling.
Yeah, future enhancements. Yeah. Got it. So project this studied almost all I have studied, madam. Motivation. So how they have did many of the IoT devices are being developed. They are clearly problem statement they have given in the introduction objective of the project. So everyone who have did you must be like this only. Means objective should be very clearly should be known. And then literature survey they have given at this literature survey what I have studied now. This is good. How they have made it a literature survey, they have taken in general first what I have taken, and then they have described purely of survey of papers, paper number 1 like that, first paper. So how they have given here.
Sir, it doesn't have chapter number. Chapter number should be there.
Chapter number, madam? Okay.
Literature survey.
You must have a chapter number, note down.
Note down.
1, 2.
Then literature survey, if it is second chapter.
Yes, madam. Then 1 dot introduction. For abstract, don't give number. So next survey of papers they have did second. They have given very clearly like this. I am satisfied with this. Smart 5. Then feasibility study.
Sir, literature survey, that format is not, once can you go back?
Yeah, tell me, madam.
They can write in the 5th paper that has been referred, comma, IoT, or in the 4th paper that has been referred, IoT-based smart cradle system for baby monitoring published in 2019. Like that, you can't simply write 4th paper is 4, 5th paper is 4. That doesn't look like a formal report, students. You have to write it as in the 4th, in the paper 4 referred, IoT-based smart cradle system. Like that, you can proceed.
In the paper like that, in the paper IoT based smart cradle system for baby monitoring published in 2019.
In paper, in brackets 4, comma,
Hmm.
and they can write IoT-based smart cradle system and the rest of the content.
Okay, ma'am. Sinchana, Ashwini, note it down, and everyone note it down. And this type, how many papers you have studied in a literature survey, that must be there. And a feasibility study, it's good. She has put that feasibility study, and this headings, no, whatever is there, I'm seeing this font and all more here. If I reduce it, just a minute.
All these subheadings should have numbering.
Ah,
If it is in third
okay.
chapter, 3.1, 3.2, you should have.
Yeah. That's it.
And even header footer also should be in Times New Roman only. Don't use Calibri.
Yeah, Times New Roman 12 font size. Okay, madam?
Header footer, sir, I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Mm.
Economic feasibility they have given, behavior feasibility they have given. So this much, and existing system, in a literature survey only all these things are coming. Existing system and the proposed system, they have told very clearly.
All these subheadings should have a hierarchy of numbering. 1, 1.1, 1.1.1 if there is
This is
subheading.
2 means 2.1, 2.2, like that you must have in literature survey. Note it
And main
down.
title of the chapter should be 16 font size, and heading should subheading should be 14, and further hierarchy downwards it should have 12 and 12
12.
italics. If you have any more subheadings, it should be 12 italics.
Then project requirement, that's it, no madam?
Requirements only. Here they
Requirements
have
only.
used correctly, but in the index they use requirement.
Okay, project requirements, correct. Hardware
So if this chapter is
specification.
3, hardware specification, you have to give it as 3.1. Software specification 3.2. Like that.
Correct. We have to give. Then this is a 4, software requirement specification. Don't give hyphen. Madam, it's correct, no? Hyphen is
No,
not
no
required.
hyphen, sir.
No
And
hyphen.
specifications.
Yeah. Specifications. So that is important. And here 4.1 functional requirements. In that 4.1.1, like that you have to give function of a servo motor. So each function you should define like that.
No. It is software requirements specification. Correct. Requirements you have to use. Yeah. Then specification.
Okay. Software requirements
That is correct. There is
specification.
no hyphen. Yes.
Correct. So here numbers, follow the numbers. Functions are good, not an issues. I've studied that also. Not issues. Now non-functional requirements, usability.
All have to be justified. In the ending, you have used left justification, I think, and in the ending they are not aligned. So you have.
Yeah. It's not justified, madam. They have to justify. Usability, reliability, scalability, maintainability, portability, reusability, they have told, but only one sentence, I didn't feel it. Means portability, the system should be easily portable to another system. How? What about your project? You're not told about your project here. That things is there. When I've studied this non-functional requirements, remaining everything is good. But while I'm studying this, the scalability, the system should be scalable enough to add a new functionalities and later stage. And there should be a common channel which can accommodate the new functionalities. No, what about your project? How your smart cradle is scalable? So how you means what you have to tell like this? Now you are having a wet sensor and that another sensor is there, sound detection or whatever motor you are using everything. For that, what other things you can add up? So how easy you can add up the things? Like that you have to tell, I think, scalability. But it's a general statement here. Reliability is a general statement, I think. Andre, the system should be trustworthy and reliable in providing the functionalities once a user has made some changes. This is general terms. I means it's not to your project. Non-functional requirements always, usually students will do these mistakes, but it should be relevant to your project. Purely this thing is not at all relevant, which have studied clearly stating like that. And see here, scalability, I can write even one page on your project. When this is a one, why I have taken this project means this is a one project which I am preferring for a book chapter in a Springer with the names of Sinchana and Ashwini. So this is a one thing where I felt. So here, you believe or not, I made it as a one page of things I can enter here. So how the smart cradle system is scalable and how maintainability, how the end user can maintain that particular project, what time you should replace what components. So that things and all you have to write clearly. Sinchana, are you listening? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನು ಇನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಲಾಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಯ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲ ನಿನಗೆ ಬೇಡ ಸರ್ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಂಗೆ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಪ್ಯಾರ ಹಾಕು. ಬಟ್ ನಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೆ ನಾನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ, ಕಾಸ್ಟ್. ಸಿ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಯು ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 2000 rupees. So how it will be 2000 rupees? So that and all flexibility. What do you mean by this? Then you should elaborate it on your project and you have to tell.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Coming to the next thing, analysis and design. Madam.
Yes, sir.
Here I am having a doubt that all the students are doing an IoT project. No, they can give a name called as working methodology.
Sir, working methodology comes later, no? After analysis and design. First
So
design
analysis
will
and
be
design
done,
is
then
what,
only analysis
Okay.
and design will contain the analysis of the requirements and the design architecture.
Okay. So system, now it's correct, I think. Analysis and design. In that they have told system design. They are given an overview of the system like this. They have told a block diagram of the system. So how the different things has been connected to Arduino, and later on they have explained a block diagram. But here what I thought, no, this block diagram, a block diagram is a diagram that things is not needed. Here especially that things is not needed. Why you are explaining about a block diagram here? So coming here, you can directly go and you can tell about what are things is there in a block diagram. That is Arduino Uno is there. What for you are using Arduino Uno and how it is helping in your project. That you tell, not an issues. So you explain about your Arduino Uno there. It's clearly comes from here. It's correct. Arduino Uno and all. What is a servo motor? You explained correctly. Not an issues here. You are explaining block diagram now. Wet sensor you are explaining how you are used it and all. Sound sensor you are explaining, and what for you are using Node MCU ESP8266 for internet connectivity or Wi-Fi connectivity you are using. And later on you have gone within a data flow diagram. In that you have told very clearly that how a flow diagram will be there, automatic radar system in two ways, two parts. That is, one is alert message of sound and another one is wetness detection you are told. I felt that's okay, but active diagram I don't know this. Madam, Shridhar madam.
Yes, sir.
Idu nanage means I don't know this madam. Active diagram you can see and so which they have written active diagram.
Wetness detected is not a condition, no? Yeah. Oh, okay. If wetness is detected, then send alert message. Otherwise,
Then
it will stop.
yes madam. Then
Then you should have labeled it yes or no.
Label it, ma. Label it.
Yes means it will give an alert message. No means it will not take any action actually. No means you need not connect it to stop. Your system will not stop if it is no. Your system
Yes.
will be running continuously, and only when wetness is detected, yes, it will send an alert message. That's all.
Then it comes implementation. But in implementation also what I felt, no, now in our project implementation, okay, wet sensor you have told everything, AC to DC conversions you have made, you have told everything, and you have put pseudocode, I think it is pseudocode of your project you have put, and later on you have shared your screenshots. Madam, this is enough, no, in implementation?
Yes, sir. But let them label, no, let them give the captions for figures.
Ah, yes, madam. Yes, madam. I'll tell them. Give the captions for the screenshots. What is that screenshot and how it is working and all. You just two, 3 lines you can tell on that. Finally, conclusion. They have made it very clear. Conclusion. I have studied it. The growth of the technology has been increased rapidly, and its contribution to society can be done in various ways. The most precious treasure for a parent is their child. So thus they have told very clearly, and what's the improvements as health of small baby is always a factor and all. They have told very clearly. But in future announcements, they have told very clearly camera for the live video footage and features like IPER sensor for motion detection, checks the presence of baby in the cradle, and temperature sensor for measuring baby's body temperature and also check the whole room temperature, and even humidity also you can add up here. Not enough factors that. So that's good enough. Rotating a toy with music and camera. Okay, done. For my side, that much changes. Madam, anything else is there? You can tell, madam. Madam? Sridevi, madam? Hello? Sinchana?
Yes, sir.
ಇದಾರಲ್ವಾ ಸರಿಮಾ ಸೊ ಬಿಬ್ಲಿಯೋಗ್ರಫಿ ಓಕೆ ಬಟ್ 5 ಮಾತ್ರ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ ನೀವು 6ನೇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದೀರಲ್ವಾ
ಸರ್ ನಾನು 5 ಹಾಕಿರೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿನೂ
6 ಹಾಕಿದಂಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 5 ಹಾಕಿದೀರಾ ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು 10 ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬೇಕಮ್ಮ ಹಾಕಿ
And bullet points are not required if citation number is given. That points you can.
Yeah. This bullet points is not required. Citation ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಸಾಕು 1 2 3 ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಲ್ವಾ ಅದೇ ಸಾಕು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಬಟ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪುಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಎಂಟೈರ್ ಡಾಕ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜಸ್ಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ and same thing, so whatever is there you are taken and all so this is the things, but from this only I am taking out the data and I am submitting to Springer book as a book chapter ಅದು ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಂಚನಾ and Ashwini, it's very good for your resume also once it's published. We'll see. Later on we'll see. First let this semester requirement will complete. Madam, any doubts, madam?
No, sir. That's all. Whatever I have suggested, that's all.
Yeah. Now, students, I think I'll stop the sharing. Just 1 minute. Yeah, see, I've told clearly, even Madam has told very clearly that how you have to do the things and all. If you want to resubmit, not an issue. I will replace it in a means in a folder. I will recheck once again. So take this day also, means another tomorrow evening, still small changes, no, we have told. So if your reports is also having some things like that and all, you change it. Sinchana, the functional requirements ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಮ್ಮ ನಿನ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅವರ್ ಸಜೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು ಓಕೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮೇಡಮ್ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ ನೋ ಮೇಡಮ್
That's all, sir.
Yeah. Thank you very much. I'll stop recording now. I'll take attendance just 1 minute. ನಾನು ಬರ್ತೀನಿ ಇರಪ್ಪ ಯಾ ಆದಿತ್ಯ
ಸರ್
ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕರೀತೀನಿ 2
Yes, sir.
3, 4,
Yes, sir.
5,
Present, sir.
6,
Present, sir.
7,
Yes, sir.
8,
Yes, sir.
9, 10,
Yes, sir.
12, sorry, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 15,
Present, sir.
16, ನಾನು ಬೈಯಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ 16,
Present, sir.
17,
Present, sir.
18,
Present, sir.
19, 20,
Present, sir.
22,
Present, sir.
24,
Present, sir.
25. Yeah, Saket, you have not given report.
Report today I'll submit, sir.
Yeah. Santosh, again 26. 27,
Yes, sir.
29,
Present, sir.
30,
Present, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
33.
Present, sir.
Next, 34.
Present, sir.
Next, 19 series. 50, 51, 52,
Present, sir.
53, 54, 55, 56,
Present, sir.
57, 58,
Present, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60,
Sir.
61, 62,
Present, sir.
63, 64,
Present, sir.
65,
Sir, 64 present.
65, 66, 68,
Present, sir.
69,
Present, sir.
70, 71,
Present, sir.
72.
Present, sir.
ಯಾಕಮ್ಮ ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲೋಗಿದ್ದೆ?
ಸರ್ ಹುಷಾರಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಲೇಟಾಗಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆದೆ ಸರ್.
ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಮಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ?
ಇವತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಬೇಗ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅನಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. 73, 74, 76, 77.
Present, sir.
Done. Okay, thank you.